Hi everyone, Vincenzo here. Let's learn how to play Killing Me Softly by the Fugees. This was a huge hit song in the 90s and this is a song that works very well on the ukulele. This is the first part of a ukulele tutorial where you're going to work on both the chords and the melody so that you can put together your own cover of it even if you're not that big on singing. In fact, I will teach you how to play the singing part of the song on the ukulele and you will see that the melody of Killing Me Softly works very well on your instrument. Once you know both parts, just put it together. Nowadays it's very easy, you can simply do it from your phone or even better, play it with another ukulele friend. In this video I will teach you how to play the chords, but if you already know them or if you would like to learn the melody straight away, make sure to check out the second part of this tutorial. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. This song has quite a few chords, but the good thing is that these chords are very common. So by learning how to play this, you will learn chords that you will need for many different songs. So let's have a look at the chord shapes. Of course, if you know them, just skip this part. So we start with E minor. Then we have A minor. A7. D7, G, C, C major 7, then we have F, then we have E7, and then we have B7. Now that you know the chord shapes, let's start working on the strumming pattern for the chorus. So the strumming pattern goes like this. Down, muted, up, down. Very slowly. Down, muted, up, down. One more time. If you're struggling with the muted chord, you can simply strum down. This is what I mean. 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. One more time, slowly. Down, down, up, down. This is the chord progression for the chorus. As you can see, most chords will last for 4 beats, apart from F and E7. They last for 8 beats each. So now, let's try playing the chord progression using the strumming pattern that you've just learned. 3, 4, E minor, A minor, D7, G, E minor, A7, D7, and C, G, C major 7, F again, and E7. Now let's work on the verse. Naturally, we want to play a different strumming pattern to highlight the sounding is changing in the song. The strumming pattern for the verse is very simple and its main purpose is to provide a heavy backbeat. So it goes like this. 3, 4, down, muted, up, muted. Again, down, muted, up, muted. A little bit slower, down, muted, up, muted. If you're struggling with the muted chord, you can simply strum down like this. Down, down, up, down. A little bit slower. Down, down, up, down. However, I suggest you really work on the muted chord because it gives more that sense of backbeat that is really present in the song. So, this is the chord progression that we're gonna be following for the verse. Let's try playing it using the strumming pattern that we've just learned. We start with A minor, 3, 4, A minor, D7, G, C, A minor, D7, E minor, A minor, D7, G, B7. This is how the chorus and the verse sound when put together. If you want to practice the chords over the melody, in the description you can find the audio file of me playing the melody. Moreover, in the description you can find all the tabs and backing tracks that you need to practice this song. Now that you know the rhythm ukulele part, check out the second part of this tutorial so that you can start learning the melody of Killing Me Softly. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this song works very well for a collaboration. You could even use one of my backing tracks to collaborate with me. If you like the video versions, simply get in touch. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you managed to play the song. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao!